right behind me is a 45 baht all-you-can-eat street food buffet located on the Sorensen side of Lumphini Park. So for 45 baht, there's about 10 to 15 dishes, I think, and that includes rice, and you get a free drink as well. So I'm about to go find some food and grab a seat, because as you can see, it's pretty busy. The seats fill up pretty quickly, so let's see what they got. Okay. Yep. Some rice, and have to throw a bit of chili and fish sauce on top, just give it that extra. And this one's Clark King, which is really spicy. We've got a bit of an eggplant curry. So it looks like some grass noodles with veggies. Some veggies. Bean sprout salad. Some of that. Come on, Cap. Oh, Cap. Come on, Cap. Chai Cap. Yep. They had a fairly good range. They had 10 dishes or so. What I got was, I'll show you in a second, but I got Clark King, which is a spicy ground pork curry, a bit of rice, some glass noodles with vegetables, and some mixed vegetables, and some bean sprout salad. So we've got the glass noodles and vegetables, the eggplant curry, rice, the Clark King, and just some vegetables and the bean sprout salad. So let's give everything a quick taste. So we'll start with the glass noodles.
Hello. How's it going?
Oh, they have that typical glass noodle texture, so they're kind of soft and buttery. It tastes like there's just like a little bit of soy or tamarind in there, and a fair amount of chili as well. So the eggplant curry. I don't know what that flavour is. I was expecting it to be more of like a Penang curry kind of flavour, but it tastes kind of sweet. It still has some spice to it, but it's just a little bit sweet. And mixed vegetables. It tastes like they're steamed just in a bit of soy or a bit of sugar and soy. I think that's, again, it's a bit sweet, but there's no spice to this one. And the bean sprout salad is just bean sprouts with a bit of tofu. There's no real flavour there. I think they're just fresh and mixed together. So next, the Fluid King curry, so this one's going to be pretty spicy. It's surprisingly mild. It has a really nice flavour though. It's very... Okay, there it is. It hits you just at the end. By the look of it, it's just ground pork with the Fluid King paste, some snake beans cut up through it, and lime leaves, some pepper lime, and a whole load of chili. And you get a free drink with it. I'm not 100% sure what the drink is. It tastes kind of like a very mild iced tea. As I said, it's 45 baht. It used to be 40 baht, but it's obviously gone up in price over the last year or so, which is understandable. The amount you get for 45 baht is incredible. And if you're looking at Australian dollars, it's about $1.90. So $1.90 for as much food as you can eat and a drink. So I'm going to finish this and I'll get back to you a little bit later and see what else I can find. So that was some really good food. I left there feeling pretty full, and that was a pretty good deal for only 45 baht. As I said, you can go all you can eat, but I had one bowl and then had to go back for a little bit extra. So I'm just going to go for a walk through Lumphini Park, which is the park you see behind me. It's a pretty big park. I'm not sure how big it is, but it's one of the biggest parks in Bangkok. So I'll go for a walk around here, try and get some footage of some monitor lizards because it's normally full of them around here. Okay, that's enough. Stay away now. That'll do ya. Here we are at Boat Noodle Alley. Just behind me is the little restaurant that I normally go to. It's a little bit hot today. I think it's about 35 degrees today, so it's a little bit hot to be trekking around, but it's all worth it for what I'm about to eat. We'll go inside and get some boat noodles.
Spicy ใส่ปะครับ
Pen in my cup. Kapun makap.
ครับ
So it's a pork broth, and they put rice noodles, morning glory, so there's a little bit of vegetable in there, processed pork ball, and pieces of pork. So as you can see, the broth is a rich kind of brown reddy colour. What they do, they add a little bit of pork, pig blood to the broth. So a couple of tablespoons of pig blood to the broth, and it just thickens it up and gives it a little bit more body. Okay, I'm just going to finish this now and end it here. I'll either go back to the hotel, or if I find something else to eat along the way, I'll see what I find. Otherwise, I'm just going to sit back and enjoy my bowl of boat noodles, and maybe get one or two more. Nung cup? Chai cup. More cup. One thing I forgot to mention was on each table they also have just like condiments. So you've got some chili, fish sauce, chili vinegar, and some sugar. So if you want to add that, you can. I normally don't add anything to it because the flavour itself is nice enough for me to add anything to change. So I'm onto my second bowl now. And I think looking by this one should put a little bit extra blood in it for me. So it looks nice and red and a little bit more bloody than the other one. So I'll enjoy this one. And as you can see, I don't know if it shows up on the camera too much, but it's a lot brighter red than the other one. So it's more red than brown. So I think there's a lot more blood in this one. I'm going to just give this a little try first. Oh yeah, a lot more blood in this one. Oh, it's delicious. Alright, I'm going to enjoy this and I'll see you in the next video.